Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify print bleed using Adobe InDesign presets, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Navigate to the File menu and select New. Choose Document from the drop-down options. In the New Document dialog, select your desired page size. Locate the bleed and slug section in the dialog box. Input your bleed values in the designated fields. A standard bleed value is often 0.125 inches or 3 millimeters. Once you've set your bleed values, click Create to open your document. To verify the bleed, go to the View menu. Select Screen Mode followed by Preview. This mode allows you to see the document without any guides or margins. Next, open the Pages panel located on the right side. Double-click on the page you wish to check for bleed. Now, go to the Window menu, navigate to Output, and select Print Booklet. In the Print Booklet dialog, you can view the bleed settings and ensure they are correctly applied. To see the bleed in your layout, activate the Show Print Bleed option. This will overlay a red line indicating the bleed area. Inspect the placement of your design elements in relation to the bleed area. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure important content is within the safe zone. Once satisfied, save your document to retain the bleed settings. Go to File and select Save As to create a version with your final adjustments. Your document is now prepared with the correct bleed settings. You're ready to move on to exporting your work for print. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.